In this video, we will explain how to create and manage requirements. Requirements are defined product features, user stories, or specifications that describe what needs to be built or tested. For example, a QA team can link requirements to specific test cases to ensure full test coverage. When a requirement changes, the team can instantly identify all related test cases and update them, keeping testing aligned with the latest product changes. To create a new requirement, click the Create Requirement button at the top of the page. Enter the requirement name. Enter requirement details. To select which test cases should be linked to this requirement, click the Test Cases field. Linking requirements to specific test cases helps teams create a more reliable and structured testing process. Select test cases by checking the boxes. Click the Save button. Confirm the creation of the requirement. Requirement has been successfully created and associated with the selected test cases. Thank you for watching.